are back with another video, and today
we're just here in the woods. We're taking 15
we got Chase, Eric, and Jonah. We just explored some orange mushrooms. I'll showcase them later.
Hello, Matt.
It was really dangerous getting over it. I'm just kidding. It was nothing. What?
Careful for the spiders.
Okay, so there's a huge river. We just passed a huge wall over there of graffiti.
Oh, my knee.
Yeah.
Oh God, what the crap? There's a spider there.
Well, run! That thing might be freaking poisonous.
It was.
Go back the other way.
What?
Go back the other way. Go
Oh,
down.
come on. I thought you knew this place. I thought you said your secret hideout was over here. If you guys want to see Chase's hideout, then...
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, those are like lichens or something.
That's not like those are red mushrooms.
This YouTube video is also for our science teacher, Mrs. Koch. Please give her some support for encouraging us with this. Type in #awesome Mrs. Koch.
Don't touch the
Don't touch it. Throw it in the water. Okay, go throw it now. Okay. This video is sponsored by Mrs. Koch, and please support her. Type in the comments #awesome Mrs. Koch for some support.
And her name is spelled K-O-C-K.
Yeah.
H.
Yeah, K-O-C-K-H. And then...
There's no K, it's a C.
No, it's not. It's K-O-C-A-H.
Daniel, pause the video.
Okay. See those orange stuff? Those are beautifully orange mushrooms. I'll get them more back in the next part too. But I guess we're going up this long mountain. I'll get you guys back when I'm done. Just for some tips, this is where we were. We just need to climb this.
Does the boy need my help?
Okay. Jonah just went blah, blah. That's our update. Are you sure?
Yeah. Pause the video so they don't know who we're... No, dude,
Never mind, I think that's good enough.